What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Arthur Early here. Before I get started, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification. Get the updates on these videos, guys, I got coming out for you. But listen, I wanted to do a really quick update for Profits Passport, the system I've been telling you about. Alright, so what I did for you was I did a really quick Google search on Profits Passport review. Okay, and as you can see here, with the review, all right, 14.6 million results. Okay, now not all of these results are finite, but a lot of these results, people are looking for this opportunity. They want to do a review. They want to see exactly what's going on with the system. Why do they want to see it? Because people are making such good success and such good money with this system, guys. So this is just a quick Google search. I want to go over to the group really quick and show you in the group what people are doing. All right. If you signed up with me, then you know what the group is. You signed into the group. But if you're not, this has a very supportive Facebook group that people are showing exactly what they're doing to get results and also posting their results. Okay, so at the time of this recording, which is on June 29th, you probably see this video on June 30th. $2,000 commission, guys. All right, $250 commission. All right, and they just introduced Forsage, guys. For those of you that don't know what Forsage is, this is it right here. 100% decentralized cryptocurrency. This is absolutely made. This is going to change the game. For those of you that are looking for an online opportunity, let me tell you something. This has 6, now 7 income streams and 1 funnel. Okay, so you could pick and choose which funnels, which income opportunities you want to make money with. And this Forsage, this opportunity is hot right now. And one of the things that every smart marketer out there knows right now, you strike while the iron is hot. You get into this opportunity. Click that join now button. But anyway, let me get back to this Facebook group, all right? That's just Forsage. I already did a video on Forsage, and if you want to check it out, I'll put the video link right there. All right, so go check out that video to see what Forsage is, and then come back to this video. But look, guys, all right, this is David Deckel, the owner there, explaining exactly what we're doing. $2,000. All right, $219 over here. Another $2,000, another $100, $25. It starts as low as $25 and it goes all the way up to $2,000. All right, that's just one income stream, guys. Let me come over here right now and show you exactly what the income streams are. Once again, just in case you didn't know, one income stream, $2,000. Another income stream, commissions up to $998. Third income stream, income up to $748. And not only will you earn commissions, this will help your online business, guys. All right, look at this income stream for Forsage. Guys, get in with this right now. I'm in. As you can see, this is my affiliate ID. All right, this is my affiliate ID number. I'm already in it, guys. $16,500 up to in commissions from big Bitcoin systems. Income stream 6, email traffic commissions. I'm already in it. All right, I'm already in it. I'm already in it. I'm already in it. Where is it? I'm already in it, guys. I'm in these income streams. I'm in these opportunities. I just want to take this breakdown and show you exactly what people are doing. Look at this. Brand new people. Brand new people. Look at this, $2,200 before getting out of bed. All right, guys. So you see the power of this opportunity. I'm going to go ahead for you, and I'm going to leave you a link down below for you to get started with this opportunity. I wouldn't hesitate. I'd get started right away. And if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'm also going to put my Facebook link down below, and we can get started. We can get you started as low as $25. All right, so go ahead. If you didn't catch it, watch this video again. Look at the opportunities. All the links I'm going to do is going ahead and put it in the description down below. So go ahead, click it, get started, guys, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye for now.